Hello everyone. In this lecture, we are going to understand about the working of OpenCV and what is the OpenCV. Basically, OpenCV stands for Open Source Computer Vision Library that is used for computer vision in artificial intelligence, machine learning, and like some other applications like face recognition, face detection, etc. Okay, so you should know before starting work with OpenCV, you should know the basics. It mainly developed to work with the images and videos. Okay, so you can say it is capable of processing images and videos to identify objects, faces, and even handwriting or some other activities. And it supports lots of languages like C++, Python, Java, and it is available on different platforms including Windows, Linux, and Mac OS, and Android and iOS. Okay, so in this course we are going to study about the OpenCV Python. Python is a general purpose language and it becomes more popular in the short time mainly because of its simplicity and code readability. You can easily write code in the OpenCV and you can easily understand the code in the Python. So this library, basically the OpenCV uses the NumPy and all its array structures convert to from NumPy to arrays. Basically, you are saying the OpenCV is taking images as input, but internally what it's doing, it's converting that images into the NumPy array. And basically, it understands the numbers that is in the form of array. Okay, and you should know what is the computer vision, what is the image processing, that I have separately cleared difference between the computer vision and image processing. Basically, in the image processing, we are transforming a image, we are doing the image operations like color changing, swapping of the pixels, contrasting, and playing with the brightness. And in the computer vision, we are taking the image as an input and we are getting some information, some knowledge from the image. Okay, so why OpenCV is used for the computer vision? It's open source. Open source means it's free, you do not need to pay anything. And it's very easy to learn. Originally, OpenCV was written in the C++, which was lower language, hence it is very easy and fast. And now most popularly people are using OpenCV with the Python. And we are going to use the OpenCV Python. Okay, so how the OpenCV understands the input and how it works. Basically, it takes image as an input, or you can say videos, etc. Then it converts them into an array. Array is the pixel values. A image, what is the image? Image is a collection of pixel and every pixel having some numerical numbers. Or pixel is the smallest unit in the digital image. So particular location in the image is represented by the numbers, that is the intensity of that pixel. So here you can see BGR format. OpenCV works in the BGR format, blue, green, red. We have three colors here. And the pixel value should be from 0 to 255. That represents the intensity of a particular pixel, the brightness of a particular pixel. Okay? So identifying the images can be classified like in the OpenCV, we feed an image. So we can classify the images in the broader category like grayscale image, BGR format, and binary image. So in the grayscale image, we have pixel value 0 to 255. it have 255 levels of intensity. And black and white have only the two values. One is the 0 for the black and 255 for the white. There is no pixel intensity variation. Okay, and the third format is BGR format. BGR format means is a combination of three colors: blue, green, and red. So computer extract that value from each pixel and puts the result in the array to be interpreted. Basically, the color part is saved in a different part that is called the channels. So for every image, it will have three channels in the BCR: blue, green, and red. Okay, so this is the what is the OpenCV, how it is working. Now we can see the certain applications of OpenCV. Like very common application, everybody now, most of the people are using face detection and face recognition. In your smartphones, you can see every company is using the face detection part. And when you are logged into the Facebook, they are even detecting the face, then recognizing the face, and then you can tag the people. Okay, and the second application is most exciting application, that is the self-driving cars. Self-driving cars are getting popularity among the autonomous industry. Nowadays, it is very famous application. It have been developed with the help of OpenCV, computer vision, neural network, and some other methods. Okay, and the third application, you can brightly you can say the obstacle avoidance. It used for the purpose like beach cleaning, home cleaning, and many more. And the robotic field also, we can use the OpenCV localization for navigation, assembly, and human interaction. And the medical field also, it can be used for the classification, detection problems, and building vision guideline robots. In the industry also, it can be used automation, object sorting, documentation, and many more. So basically, we are using OpenCV in different fields, and we can use OpenCV for security purpose also. And in this pandemic situation in the COVID-19, we can use the OpenCV to detect the face mask, to detect the social distancing. Okay, and I'm not going to add the history. You can see the history. It was officially launched in the 1999, and then first version was released in the 2006. Okay, so I think this is enough for the introduction of the OpenCV.